Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am putting away my Christmas decor. So last night my husband and I tackled the upstairs, so it's back to halfway normal. All the Christmas decor is gone from upstairs and our bedroom. We put our stuff away, but now we have to tackle this tree. My husband just turned the lights off and I already took down a lot of the stuff in the kitchen. I just put it on the kitchen table, and like that we could just put everything in a container. So the two main rooms that had a lot more decor than anywhere else is the living room and the kitchen, and mainly in the kitchen. But I'm kind of sad to see my tree though. She was so pretty this year. I just finished posting my New Year's goals video right now on the channel, so I hope you guys watch that. I do have some goals and I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited for the new year. I feel like I can start over fresh. I prefer actually starting like the new year with a clean house, everything already done. Comment down below, what are you guys cooking for New Year's Eve? Normally every year we do greens, like collard greens and black eyed peas. I don't know if that's what we're doing again this year. I'm not sure. It's like a southern thing for good luck. A lot of people here, let's just say there's not going to be any black eyed peas because everyone's going to be cooking it. But I want something different. Normally that's what we make, but I want something different. But I think my husband said he still wants collard greens and black eyed peas, so I don't know. Today I also had to make my grocery menu, grocery list and menu that I'm going to be cooking for the next 2 weeks at least. Which like I said in my last video, is for me. I'm going to be starting, even my husband's going to be doing it with me as well. We're going to be doing more low carb keto style foods, and I will definitely make sure to show you guys what we are up to. My favorite workouts to do are the Leslie Sansone walk at home workouts. They are my absolute favorite. I feel like I'm not dying when I'm working out to her videos. So she has a ton of videos on YouTube if you guys want to do that. Plus it's super cold outside, so if you could definitely walk at home and do a bunch of really good exercises. Those are my favorite, and I also got a ton of her videos. But if you don't want to spend any money on her videos, she has a million of them on her YouTube channel. Like, I have her videos because I've been doing her workouts for years, and before she even had the walk at home workouts on YouTube, she just had the DVDs, and I've been having them for years now. But those are my absolute favorite, and also walking outside. But y'all, it's been cold here. It is freezing. The hipster, he likes eating applesauce. I don't know what it is about applesauce, but he loves it. I gathered all of my Christmas decor from the kitchen in here. And you know what's crazy? When it was put up, it didn't look like I had a lot of stuff, but when I put it on the kitchen table, I'm like, Jesus, that's a lot. So I just put it all here so that I could put them away, which I know that container is not going to be enough. And I still have my Christmas mugs over there, which I also have to put away in the hot cocoa station. So what I'm planning on doing is I don't want to add my my everyday decor right away, because I just want the house to breathe, if that makes sense. Like, I just want nothing. I want to hear my echo. I just want it to be just plain, and then I'm gonna redecorate with the stuff I had before. But the thing is, I don't even remember how I even had my setup, so it will be interesting to see how I redecorate. So I will definitely make sure I show that to you guys. All right, y'all, everything is clean. My husband and I have been working so hard. So we kept the hot cocoa stuff here so we could finish it up, because as you can see, we still have a bunch of hot cocoa. So we just left it there for now, and it feels so good. It feels so good, y'all. This makes me so happy. Look, it's clean. It's the small things. So I'm just gonna leave it like this for a while. Well, not for a while, for a few days, and then I'll just add a few touches here and there. But everything just feels so good. So let me take you to the living room. I'm doing laundry. When am I not doing laundry? So the tree is gone. Everything is pretty simple. Those clothes over there, my friend's getting ready to pick them up. Everything just looks so clean. So I was more than happy to bring my plant out from that corner. That's where I had it over there, because she was not, I don't think she liked that spot. So I was more than ready to bring her back out. This is her favorite spot right here. So I have a shelf that I got from Walmart. I don't know when we're gonna put it up, but we got it from Walmart on Black Friday sale. It's like a 4-tiered shelf that I'm gonna be putting plants on there and some decor, and I added my diffuser, but I'm okay with it looking just like this, at least for a few days. And the pillow covers and everything is back to normal. Hi guys, good morning. It is now the next day, y'all, after my husband and I put everything away. We were pretty tired. It can wear you out putting all your Christmas decor away, but at least it's done. And he is working today, but my kids are still upstairs. I think they're awake, but they like to lay in their beds, watch TV before they come downstairs, which I am completely fine with. But I am sitting here doing my to-do list for today. So I have to make chocolate covered pretzels with David. I have been promising him that I'm gonna make it with him, and I just been so busy that I haven't got a chance. So I'm for sure gonna make it with him today. It might be a few days late, but it's gonna get done. Make some Valentine's Day rolling pins for my Etsy shop. I want to add Valentine's Day items on there. I don't know if I'm gonna add Valentine's Day wreaths on there. I don't know. I'm still conflicted on that one because I don't know if people are gonna buy Valentine's Day wreaths. I don't know. I know for sure I'm making myself one, so we'll see. I might make some work on a order that I have. Do stack books DIY. I've already shown how to make a stack books here on this channel, but I'll show you again because I want to make one with 5 books and all of our names on it. So I want to do that today. I hope I have enough time to do that. What else? And then I have cooked dinner, and I'm sure I have other stuff on my list to do. I want to show you guys this shelf that I got from Walmart. I bought it like a month ago on Black Friday, and they had a huge sale. It was more than like 60% off, and I wanted a shelf like this for this corner so I could put stuff on like plants and little decor, because the only area I have to decorate here in the living room is just my coffee table and that stand right under the TV, and that's it. But right here I could put plants and stuff, which I'm looking forward to. I want to get some more plants and some little decor here and there that's seasonal or everyday decor, like pictures of the family and stuff. So I can't wait to decorate that. So my husband put that together last night. Also my husband went to the P.O. box yesterday, and I got 2 more Christmas cards, so I'm excited about that. Let me show y'all. This one doesn't have a name from who it come from. Let me see. Yes, it does. It says it's from Erica, and it says everything beautiful and everything joyful, everything merry and bright, wishing you these things at Christmas and through the coming year, Erica. So this is the card that she sent me. Thank you so much. And then this one, let me see who's this one from. Now this was the one that didn't have a name on the envelope, but ooh, this is the card right here. And you guys, she is so sweet. I'm gonna show you in a minute. When snowflakes are falling and people are calling, I wish there was snowflakes here, y'all. And houses are decked in their holiday best. Here's to hoping for this season you'll have every reason to feel extra happy, to feel extra blessed. Dear Yesenia, I'm sending you and your family a Christmas card. I really enjoy watching your channel. I watch you all the time. Keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Love, Audrain. I hope I'm saying it right. Audrain. Let me know, girl, if I said it right. It's Audrain, the way it's spelled, but I could be wrong. And then she sent me an Amazon gift card. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you. I'm definitely using that. I have a tendency to have stuff in my Amazon cart all the time. But I appreciate the cards. I love receiving cards in my P.O. box because I got it because I kept getting asked, did I have one? And when I finally got it, it was empty for quite some time. So when there's stuff in there, I was getting excited. Another thing I forgot to add to my to-do list was the meal planning that I'm planning on doing. And then I made a grocery list on my Walmart grocery pickup. So I haven't ordered it yet. So I made 8 meals. So I have keto chicken Alfredo. I also have easy low carb cheeseburger soup, Cajun cauliflower rice, lemon garlic butter chicken and green bean skillet, low carb crustless pizza casserole. I'm looking forward to this one. Naked wonton soup, keto easy chicken parmesan with roasted broccoli, and some quick keto chili. And all of these recipes, what I did was I saved it on my Pinterest board, and then I will just add it to my description box so you guys can have access to those recipes if you want to go ahead and try it out. So for breakfast, I have ham and cheese muffins. So I'm going to make a ton of those so my kids and husband can eat too, because they love when I make these. And then for lunch, I will make sausage and veggies casserole. Like it's like a sheet pan dinner. It'll have like bell peppers and stuff so that I can have something for lunch and my husband as well.